Hi, today I want to show you some uh, broken vintage jewelry I bought nearly like 10 months ago, and I didn't want to show because it's just horrible. I didn't like it a lot. I didn't look at it. I looked for the bag, and I thought it was disgusting, and I think I better never show to anyone what's coming a lot. But after 10 months of that lay around, I decide, right, I think maybe it's worth to show to people because that's what comes in a 1 kilo lot, maybe 1 kilo, maybe 2 kilo lot. I can't remember how heavy is that, 2 bags. Anyway, let's have a look. And what you can buy if you're not professional or when you do the first lot buying, first time you're buying the lot, what you can get. So when I bought it, it looks all pretty, and it is laying in a pretty way with the brooches on top and looking really nice. But when I received, like, opened the bag like that, looked at it, and I think, oh my god, I'm gonna throw away in the bin. So I didn't look at it for 10 months, and now I have to decide before I do anything with this, because I need to get rid of this. I'll show you what's possibility to get out there. Maybe you don't want to buy something like that in your life. You have to check before buying what is this in 1 kilo lot or 2 kilo lot or 5 kilo lots. What possibility to get? It's horrible, some horrible stuff. Right, up on the side, let's have a look. First, I'll start with this horrible thing. I don't understand. How can anybody put that into the jewelry lot? Even it's broken jewelry lot. This is, I understand it's all broken. Yeah, it is broken. But what are you going to do with this? How are you going to reuse it? I don't understand. This is plastic, scratched and horrible. It's just right, need to go right to the bin. It's just disgusting. I don't understand how anybody can put in there. Another thing here, which is probably go straight to the bin, unless somebody have an idea. Is all, look, is all things coming off, the pearl coming off, unless you just totally get rid of the pearl. It's all greasy from the previous person. Like, I don't want to even touch it. Anyway, that's horrible. Something like that. I don't know where people can use this. It's all scratched, and there's nothing to use in there because everything is bad condition, scratched, and they need to go right to the bin. There's nothing there you can save, rescue, or anything. Unless, as I said, unless you want this just a plastic, you know, get rid of the pearl and just have a white plastic thing. I don't know really who wants that. So I can't see the point of that. Or just to make it heavy, or 1 kilo bag. A brooch like that. It's all broken, bad quality, yellow stones. Is not even worth it to fix. A brooch like that. It's trying to imitate as amber, but it's possible to fix it. Put another amber stone in here and put the needle. So that's a fixable. Whoever like that kind of look brooches. I don't really like it. Cufflinks. Yeah, broken cufflinks. There's a few of them there. I saw somewhere another one. We'll come to that. Broken bracelet. All broken and no sign by anything. All the color come off. You just need to go straight to the bin. You can't really use for anything. Just no use of it because it's all tarnish and all it's just nothing you could do much about it. The brooch like that, perhaps somebody like that kind of brooches. I don't. Yeah, it's not kind of things I would ever buy. Another tarnish bracelet. Really, I wouldn't be using that for anything because both sides tarnish. There's nothing really too useful. Even clasp tarnish, everything is scratched, and there's something in there. What kind of stamp is that? Just a second. It's kind of stamp here, but I don't know what does that mean. Whatever it is, I suppose is not worth anything. Another element like sort of like that. It used to be probably necklace or something like, yeah, should be necklace. Two pieces probably gets together like that. I don't know. Not my cup of tea, this. Another couple of cufflinks, broken ones. Yeah, not interesting cufflinks like that. Oh, just another cufflink for this one. This probably could be useful for kids to make something. I quite like this these elements here, these things. You can remove them. What they call like a hat, sort of beads. Yeah, that's so some of the color come off, but it's a plastic. But it could be useful. I don't know what kind of decoration or something. The bracelet, like these stretchy ones. Never use stretchy bracelet. I don't like them. And this looks like it's a new genuine lucite. It's obviously. Whoever liked that bracelet, they could be really change the rubber in there, stretchy bits, and possible to wear. I just don't wear things like that. Brooch, kind of all they scratched all the pearls. Something like that. Handmade, looks like. See, what they call beet seeds tube. But you know, they're quite dirty inside where the hole is. I don't know if it's really useful to reuse it. I have to wash them or something to get rid of that dirt. So, a butterfly, pretty butterfly. That could be used. Just need to put a needle. Made in Taiwan, it says. Yeah, that could be used somewhere. There's another broken brooch. Looks like a sphinx to me. That should be like that. Lots of stones missing. There's a little stamp says Sphinx. Yeah, you can't really glue it together. I think you have to just, you know, take the stones off if it's possible, and just have it as a spare. Another brooch like that. That's possible to fix. Just put a few honey-looking stones in there, and very easy to fix that one. Piece of chain. Again, you can just use the stones for something. It's not stones, what they call crystals. It's like a marcasite brooch. Not bad quality, just need to change that because it's all scratched. It's still looking okay for a brooch. Dolphin. Yeah, it's all working condition. Quite good. If you like dolphins. Very nice. I like dolphins, but I like a live one. I mean, we like dolphins as brooches. Saxophone brooch. Be nice for people who play saxophone. Like that. Brown one like this. Very good condition at the back, and the front just the pearls missing. Just need to put a couple of pearls in the brooch, ready to wear. So that's possible to fix. And in this bag, last one is this brooch. I quite like that one. And I've got a little cabochon here. I just yesterday received my cabochons and to fix something else. And look, it just looks like it's perfect. I can glue in there easy. And there's going to be brooch done. So I can fix that one. Amazing how I got that yesterday. I've got different colors. But that's a purple. I have a green with blue. Yeah, that's one good one to fix. So another bag here. Another one. Move away a little bit all that stuff. Right, next brooch is this one. I just can hear my telephone going. It's all broken brooch anyway. Right, here's something stuck. That's a piece of jewelry here. Like a half of the necklace. You've got here a little, like a hook. So just that half of it. Oh, that's nice, that's handy. That could go to my flower spray collection. Because I have a collection, I'm going to collect flower spray brooches. There you go, some quite nice looking, but the shame, all that blue, very rare cabochon missing. One is, I think, one is over there just broken as well. I'm interesting this kind of necklace, and it's very heavy. I wonder if it's natural stone, like a gemstone. I don't know what it is. Red, kind of orange red. Very, very, very nice to touch. Yeah, I don't know what is that. If anybody know what it is, let me know. But very interesting. Interesting color. And I have a brooch too much. Like a fish. You can tell it's very vintage. It's Czech or Austrian, one of them. The one missing. I don't know where it's possibility to find the same color as this. It's just almost impossible. That's not cutie little green brooch. Perfect working. I just need to miss the little things need to just put in, and Yeah, but it's absolutely fine. All these crystals there. What's that bracelet? Bracelet with the charms. What's these charms? There's the charms. Very interesting to see what's in there. Yeah, like a knight or something fighting. There's another man. Can't understand, there's a woman, I suppose. Another man. Just a little charm bracelet. And the last one is a glass. Looks like this, it feels like a glass. Faceted, something. Black ones. Nice sparkly. Nice heavy sparkly glass necklace. Anyway, that's that. That's 1 kilo, 1.5 kilo, I think this is broken vintage jewelry. That's that. Show you now. Out of the way. I'll probably get a few brooches out of this lot and keep this some. Obviously, this brooch nice and fix few brooches. There's no point to throw them away because they there's only a little repair I need to do, and to keep those ones. And butterfly. Just put some needle in there. Yeah, I can keep a few things and work on them and fix them. Why not? And can go to the collection. So out of these lots, I still find something. Like I'll keep this one because there's definitely some kind of natural gemstone. I'm not sure what it is, but we'll find out. And this quite nice glass black ones, heavy. Pretty, you can use them somewhere. Of course, that's my good finding. Flower spray, just need to put the little crystal in. That's gonna go to my collection of flower spray. Well, not all bad as I thought. First lot there is just horrible. And here you can just I get the stones out of this because color of those stones very pretty. I get them out so I can use them in my different brooches. Try to fix probably this one. There's only 3-4 pearls need to put in. And it's done. Yeah, saxophone. One saxophone. Yeah. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.